Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a very important video, okay, where we are going to discuss the scenario based test automation interview questions and answers. Okay, guys, this is the important video and you can expect these kind of interview questions in real time. Okay, and these interview questions are applicable for both Selenium as well as Playwright and any web automation tool. It can be a Tosca or any other thing, any other uh, code based or and codeless tools. Okay, so if you need this PDF, I have given a link in the description and also in the comment box. Please do check out. Okay, I repeat, if you need this PDF, I have given a link in the description and also in the comment box. Please do check out and let me know if you have any queries in the comment section or drop me an email. Okay, let's get started. The very first question goes like, a script you wrote was working fine yesterday but is failing today. How do you troubleshoot? Okay. So initially we check for the environment changes, we analyze the logs, we inspect the application and we check for the locators and we debug the code using breakpoints. Okay. To identify the point of failure. And the next question is about, if a test fails, what will be your next step? Okay, so rerun the test, analyze the failure, check if there are any flakiness and fix the issue and update the test case. Okay, if the application has minor changes, what would be your approach to modify the automation scripts? Okay, first I identify which scripts are affected by the changes in the application. Okay, and then update the locators, refactor the code if needed and rerun the test after updating the scripts. Okay, and the next question, scenario based interview question, is about how do you automate login functionality for a website. Okay, first locate elements, write the Selenium script or Playwright script, a sample Selenium code I have mentioned here. Okay, and then validate using assertions. Okay, and then come out of the application, and once you log out you should be able to see the dashboard or the welcome message. Okay, and then in the next scenario based interview question, you can expect a question like, how would you automate a test scenario where you need to check if an email is sent after a user registration. Okay, so again I have derived the step. Please explore my document. Okay, and the next scenario based interview question is like, if there is a scenario that takes a long time to execute, would you prefer manual testing or automation testing and why? Okay, you can say, I prefer automation for long running scenarios. Automation is preferred as it can run unattended and saving time and resources. Okay, and it's also efficiency and provide reliability. Okay, which reduces the risk of human error. And the next question is about, how do you automate a scenario where you need to validate the contents of a downloaded file after clicking a button on the web page. Okay, so this is also a scenario based question. Please explore my document. And how would you automate a scenario where you need to verify a specific color, font and position of an element on a web page? Okay, locate the element, retrieve the CSS properties and perform assertions. Validation using assertions. Okay, and then how would you handle pop-up windows or alert boxes in your automation script? Okay, switch to alert and then perform the action and then handle the window, uh, switch to the respective window and then perform the action and switch back to the main window. How would you automate a scenario where you need to verify if a user is able to scroll down a web page until the footer section is visible? Okay, you can use JavaScript executor for that. Okay, and the next question is about, you have been asked to automate a legacy application. What is your approach? Okay, try to understand the application first, identify the challenges and choose the tools accordingly, and try to start with a small incremental automation and try to gradually expand your automation coverage. Okay, next question is about you are asked to automate a functionality that is not yet fully developed. How do you handle this? Okay, to handle this, try to use the mock data or the services to simulate the incomplete functionality and design the flexible scripts accordingly, and try to collaborate with developers and stakeholders to understand the expected behavior and changes. And the next question is about your automation scripts are running slowly. How can you improve the speed? Okay, you can improve the speed by optimizing the locators, reducing the waits, parallel execution and performing execution with headless browsers. Okay, and then next question is about your automation script is failing due to a change in the application. How do you handle this? Okay, you update the locators, refactor the code, run the regression tests and version control. Okay, I mean track the changes using version control. So these are the most important scenario based interview questions you must be aware of before attending any interviews. Okay, so as I said earlier, I have attached this PDF in the interview preparation kit along with this PDF. So it contains lot of study materials and also company wise interview questions which are asked in almost all the top companies, including service based, product based, startups and mid-sized companies. It covers A to Z everything, and it is also designed for freshers as well as experienced from 0 to 15 plus years of candidates. And also it's really helpful for clearing any interviews across the globe, guys. Okay, so please do check out and let me know if you have any queries or questions via email or via comment section. I will reply. So thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview. Happy learning, happy testing.